Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022. Amsoon shares carbon-neutral aquafeed technologies at FNAS 2021.
Caption News on 500, TPD flour mill plant in Libya.
The importance of temperature control inside the silo thermometry systems.
IAND grants scholarships to employees' children.
Core machinery Flaker model FS613 is going to meet its new owner in France.
Bangladesh Wheat and Maize Research Institute has succeeded in developing improved varieties of blast-resistant wheat.
Various aspects of green super rice, GSR, including biotic and abiotic properties.
Productivity and profitability of aromatic rice production in the Philippines.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2022, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Bill Tech is 10 Bull, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.